What up, y'all? It's DJ Envy, and welcome to Hands On with Envy, all right? Lincoln Tech. So now, I'm just gonna go through some of the cars that we have and that you can just check out. This is the newest edition of the fleet. It's an INEOS Grenadier. Now, let me tell you the story about this car. This dealership, or I should say, this car line is owned by a billionaire who really was into the Land Rover Defender, the old school ones, and he went camping. And Land Rover Defender, they don't make them anymore. I'm not talking about the short one, I'm talking about the long ones. And he said, I'll buy the company. That's what billionaires do. When they can't get it, they buy the company. But Land Rover wouldn't sell it to him, so he created his own and did certain things so it's pretty much his car, what he likes and what he designs, and it's a pretty dope car. He did everything to the specifics of what he likes. So for instance, the reason that this is flat, you see a lot of cars curve off, is because when he's outside camping and he has his drink, he wants to put his drink on his car and not have to worry about the drink actually falling on the floor. Also, this motor and engine is a BMW engine. So it rides good, it's reliable. And on the inside, it looks like a cockpit. Come on inside so you can take a look. I'm gonna let you walk past. Come on. Now look at the inside. Go inside and look at the cockpit. Is that crazy? Look at, now show up. Just like a cockpit, like you're taking off in a plane. So that's my INEOS. The next car I'm gonna show you, I'll give you a little taste, is my Camaro. 69 Camaro, probably one of my favorite cars. It's retrofit with a LS engine, and this thing moves. It's an amazing car, it rides great. I actually drive this car, and it's just some of my cars, all right? So this is Hands On with Envy. I'll give you a tour one day, not today, but I just wanted to give you a glimpse of some of the things that I have and I'm working with. Peace.